This is how to play the intro to Johnny B Goode. To play this song, we're going to be in 6 positions, so our first finger starting from the 6th fret. We're going to start on the 3rd string, 7th fret, but we need to slide our middle finger up to that note. Then we're going to play the 2nd string, 6th fret, and then 8th fret. And then we're going to play the 1st and 2nd string together. We're going to start back 1 fret at the 5th fret, play both of those, and slide it up to the 6th fret, and then strum 2 more times. It'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The first part of the song sounds like this. Then we go to the 2nd string and play the 9th fret, 8th fret, 6th fret, then to the 3rd string, 6th fret, hammer onto 7, and end on the 4th string, 8th fret twice. It sounds like this. Put both of those parts together and it'll sound like this. Then you're going to leave your ring finger on the 8th fret, 4th string, and add your middle finger to the 8th fret, 5th string. And we're going to play in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then we're going to go back to the very first note, the 7th fret of the 3rd string. We slide into that. Then keep that middle finger there. Use your first finger to play the 6th fret of the 2nd string. Play them both together. Then your ring finger plays the 8th fret of the 2nd string and play 2 strings together. And then go back to the 6th fret of the 2nd string. It'll sound like this. Then we need to slide on the 3rd string from the 7th fret down to the 5th fret, then play the 3rd string 3rd fret, and then the 4th string 5th fret. Put those together and it'll sound like this. Then we're going to go back to the 6th position. Use your 3rd finger to bend the 8th fret of the 3rd string. Bend it up, but don't let it come back down. You need to mute it probably with your picking hand. Then lay your first finger flat on the 1st and 2nd string at the 6th fret and strum those both together. We're going to do this a total of 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there's a very small pause as he resets and plays it 5 more times. 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to bend the 8th fret of the 3rd string 1 more time and then go to the 1st string 6th fret, then go to the 2nd string 9, 8, 6, then go back to the 1st string 8, 6, and then back to the 2nd string 9, 8, 6, and then to the 3rd string 8th fret. Then the 3rd string hammer on from 6 to 7. Then we're going to sweep through the strings playing 7, 6, 6. And then go back to the 2nd string, 9, 8, 6 again. Then we're going to bend the 8th fret of the 3rd string, play the 1st and 2nd string at the 6th fret, do it again. Then play the 8th fret of the 3rd string and hammer on from 6 to 7 on the 3rd string. It'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. This is one of the greatest rock and roll intros of all times, and it's one of the first rock and roll intros of all times. See if you guys can learn this one. Good luck.